Hello everyone. Today we are going to control the speed of given three-phase induction motor by using variable frequency drive. This is the variable frequency drive. It consists of input terminal and output terminal. Input terminal has line terminal, neutral terminal and earth terminal. The input terminals are connected to single phase 230 volt 50 Hz AC supply, and across the output terminals of variable frequency drive given three-phase induction motor is connected. Coming to the control section, this is the MCB using which we can simply switch on or off the supply to the variable frequency drive. Then next one is AC voltmeter. This will display the value of voltage, and this one is the AC ammeter. It will display the value of ampere. Coming to the control section of variable frequency drive, it consists of several push type buttons. This one is the push type start button, and this one is the push type stop button, using which we can simply check the operational performance of variable frequency drive in terms of frequency. This one is the rotary knob, using which we can simply increase or decrease the speed of given three-phase induction motor by increasing or decreasing the value of frequency. This one is the control panel display, on which we can get the value of frequency set by using rotary knob. Now I am going to perform experiment on given three-phase induction motor by using variable frequency drive. By making switch on, we all can see that motor starts rotating. Therefore, now I am going to set the value of frequency and measure the value of speed for that respective frequency. Here we all can see that for frequency value of 43 Hz, the speed is 1352 RPM. Now I am going to increase the frequency for 50.6 for supply frequency of 50.6 Hz. The speed value is
50
1456 RPM and with the supply frequency of 53.8 Hz, the speed value is 1590 RPM. Therefore, we all can conclude that by increasing the supply frequency with the use of variable frequency drive, the speed of given three-phase induction motor can be increased.